Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Seaside local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the stress out of your move, our experienced movers make your long-distance move much easier. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 1,000 miles away, we can assist. Moving isn't simple. However, using the right moving services can certainly make it so much simpler. We handle all the important moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Whenever you need to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the expense might seem challenging. However, when you start to notice the advantages, the price seems well worth it. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Movers can also ensure you don't need to manage any of the heavy lifting. With our skilled movers, you get a very efficient move from start to finish. If you really want a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the best decision for you. We can easily complete even the largest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Seaside moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.